welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? I'm so excited. Hope y'all excited too, because we're about to flip through this baby right here. Not only is we about to flip through my 2024 planner, this get the jump off everything that I'm needing to do just with everything, y'all, because girl, we got to get to filming. We got to get to putting our plans in and doing the things. So I will be pulling out. I got the plan today in my regular planner because it's the end of the week. I need to do budgeting. But first I decided, let me sit down. Let me talk to the girlies. Let us look at this because we have been waiting for a girl like you. So here we is. Y'all, if y'all don't know, this is a very, very, very personalized planner to me from Denise, which is one of, she been in the planner community, y'all, just as long as we have, like just as long as I have. I've been knowing Denise, and just to say, like, I did not know Denise was gonna turn out to be this talented in making a planner. I did not know. I don't know how long before we actually get Denise into the planner community heavy enough so that she can have this planner on the market. I don't know how difficult of a task that is with her hand making everything herself, but y'all, let's get into this beauty. She do have pink metal Happy Planner disc on it. It doesn't have to be Happy Planner disc. You can use whatever disc you already have. Happy Planner disc, Caliber Plan disc. You can go to any Walmart, Target, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Staples, Office Depot and buy disc and have your picks and chooses of what you want, but we're gonna go ahead and get into it. So this say create joy, artisan of your own happiness. Happiness is handmade, craft yours daily. This cover is beautiful. The inside of this cover is beautiful. As you can see, it's the Barbie head. On the January dash, we go straight into it. There is no hello page. I can get the hello page out of my planner if I want a hello page. I'm fine with this right here. Be kind, and we have the Barbie girl here with confetti. This is the perfect January dashboard because of the confetti and the balloons that's behind her. She have on her dress. It says spread kindness like confetti. A kind heart is the most beautiful thing. So that is the most perfect January dashboard. The dashboards are separate. On the back we have pink with white hearts. This month at a glance we have a piece of notebook paper that has this head, well, lined paper, not notebook paper, but lined paper, and her silhouette of her head. And we have January 2024. I will be taking out January, February, and March in this planner, and I will start using this planner in April to be exact. This is the look. The paper feels and gives and conjuring tone is giving whatever that kind of paper is. It's definitely giving that. So here is the monthly. Everything is lined, y'all. This is the best part of this planner. Everything is lined. I am a girl who not only needs and wants, prefers, and I also think it's absurd that paper is intended for writing don't have lines. Like, that is the most mind-boggling thing to me, that this layout is so hard to get with the mindset of we use our paper planners to write in and to write all the things. It's just crazy. And I know some people like the openness, space, and the whiteness. Majority do. But for the few of us that, you know, for the 30% of us who love a line, who need a line, who enjoy a little structure, girl. So we have noted on this side, this is January, and this is your week. So we don't have to look at the months and the week from going forward. We could just look at the dashboard. But here's the weekly. I am a vertical girly. I'm a vertical girly. I love to plan vertically. That's my jam. And that's why lines for vertical is a must for me, and I just don't want no other open spaces, because whether I want to write in the top box or the bottom box, I want lines in both of them. I don't want to have to be restricted to never being able to write at the top of my planner because it isn't lined. So yeah, here is what the weekly look like, and like I said, it's directly the same. You have lines on your sidebar as well. Perfectly make perfect. That's our week. At the end of this, it's the notes, and it's a page, and it's flowers. I don't know why I'm flipping through this planner like y'all can buy it, I'm showing it to y'all so y'all can see it, but we finna stop doing that right now, because for some reason I'm telling y'all like y'all can actually buy it. Girl, you ain't gonna be able to get this my planner. This all me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flood Instagram with this planner for 2024, because I feel like it's only right. Like, girl, I'm the only one with this. Girl, I'm finna eat Instagram it's up this season with my planner. Y'all, look at the February dashboard in my planner. And when I say my planner, I mean that with heart, soul, and spirit. This is directly my planner. And we have lips, which is the 50 Shades of Pink. This is the February dashboard, which is perfect for February. We already know the lingo. And then let's look at March. March says overcome. They got your little green. Oh, the writing on this page is in green. And then here she go. The thing is overcome, and then it say triumph awaits, obstacles or opportunities in disguise. And you got your little girly here with her pretty curly hair just doing what she do. Let's move to April. Girl. And April say, live loud, hair is gorgeous, face is beat, a leather jacket, speak up, stand up, your voice matters, let it be heard. Period. That is April. Look at the hot pink with the white hearts. That's gorgeous. Let's do May. May is find passion, and then we have Dora the Explorer Barbie, because she got her fro is out, she got her headband on, and she is taking a hike. And it say fuel your fire, live inspired, let your passions lead your journey. And that's what she doing, going on her journey, baby. She got her backpack on and she is going on a journey. That is May. And here is June. So June is the cover. Yeah, June is the cover girl. Create joy, artisan of your own happiness. Happiness is handmade, craft yours daily. And then we have July, my birthday month. And it says, come on Barbie, let's go party. Tell me Denise did not make this planner. Girl, if some this planner came together just for me, there ain't no way. She ain't got to tell me she made this planner for me. This tells me she made this planner for me. This was July tab. All the tabs are pink, just different shades. And if you don't know that about me, hey, my name is Tina. I'm a pink girl, period. Come on, Barbie, let's go party, because it's my birthday month, period. Cancer, stand up. Cancers, hit the like button. Aquarius and Leos and Libras and everybody else, y'all hit the Geminis and the Aquariuses and the Scorpios and the Capricorns and the Aries, and y'all hit the like too, because it just is what it is. So here goes July 2024. And then let's see what August look like. Ooh, she going on a trip, baby. We have August, and they say explore, adventure awaits, go find it, explorer of dreams and realities. That's so cute. Let's look at September. She got on her suit. Girl, I love this. Dream big, reach for the stars every day, unleash your limitless potential. That's September. October, we have inspire, lead by example, be the inspiration you seek in others. That is October. And in November, we have be grateful, perfect for November. Cultivate gratitude, cultivate joy, appreciation turns what we have into enough. Amen. And last but not least, y'all, we have December, and we have the disco ball. Not only a disco ball, but a pink disco ball. And we had a disco ball for December, y'all. This planner lights up my life. This lights up my life. I cannot believe that Denise put her heart, soul, and spirit into this planner for me. And I am gratefully blessed, forever blessed, and I shall cherish her all the days of my life. Look at the back cover. We have lipsticks and heels and flowers and a little sparkle, joy. Y'all, that is my 2024 planner. This will be the planner that I'm using for this year. My planner may be coming a little late, but it's worth it. Okay, it may be late to your terms. Baby, for me, it's right on time. Denise, thank you so much. Unicorn, thank y'all so much for all y'all support and all y'all planning with me on our journeys and getting our paper and our pen and our things together. And if y'all is as ready and hyped as I am to see this beauty pan out, don't forget to like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Y'all have a great rest of y'all day. Love y'all. Bye.